Okay, in section 2.3, we are learning how to make a stem and leaf display. It's pretty simple. We're going to start off, look at your set of data, and you want to pick a way to split the number in half. And when I say split the number, I'm talking about like the number 15. Now we only have double-digit numbers, so there's really only one way to split the numbers, and that's between the ones place value and the tens place value. So that's what we're going to do. Now these are, let's see, Jim is a taxi driver who keeps a record of his meter readings. The results for the past 20 meter readings, rounded to the nearest dollar, are given below. All right, so let's see, our smallest meter reading is $5, and if we think of this as a two-digit number, it would be 05, right? And the largest we have is, looks like 51. So our smallest tens value is a 0. Our largest tens value is a 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a vertical listing and go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is going to be our stem. Single digits, 10s, 20s, 30s, 40s, and 50s. Now, to show that's our stem, we'll go ahead and we draw a vertical line right next to them. Now, let's look at just the single digits. We're going to put them in order. Let's see, 5 is the smallest. Now, do not put commas, decimals, nothing goes in these, just numbers. So 5, and then 7. So I just leave a little space and put a 7. 8, 9. Okay, so we got that. In the tens, let's see, there's a 12. So I'm just going to, this is already the one part of my 12, so I just put the 2. Okay, so 12, and you notice I'm trying to put these in order. 15, so I put a 5. 16, so I put a 6. 17, so I put a 7. And if you notice, I'm lining these up vertically also. That's going to be important here in a minute, okay? And 19 is a 9. All right? Now we look at the 20s. Let's see, 21, 22, 24. Okay. Let's go to the 30s. 33, 35, 37. Okay, 40s. Okay, 42, 46, 49. And in the 50s, 51 and 57. Okay. Now, might want to make sure that we have all of our numbers. There's 20 here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20. So we've got 20. All right, got everything in here. Now, it didn't happen in this example, but let's say there had been 2 24s. Then we would put another 4 out here to show that there was a 24. Let's say there were no 30s. You'd still have the 3 in the stem, but you wouldn't have any numbers showing up in the leaves. Okay. Now, the other important thing we need in a stem and leaf display is a key so that people know how to read it. It does not matter which data value you pick. Let's just say we pick 24. So I would go 2 and my vertical line and my 4, and that represents $24. Okay. Now, something I really like about stem and leaf displays is if you turn it onto its side, you have basically a histogram. Single digits, 10s, 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s. Let's look at this. If you think of these as bars, what's the shape? It's skewed to the right, stretched out to the right. So we can see how it's distributed. Most of his meter readings are, anywhere from $5 up to, $20. Okay? And this distribution is skewed right. Okay? All right. Let me know if you have any questions.